Welcome to this 1-minute breakdown. All websites require regular maintenance. This is due to the complexity of the online environment. For example, you have your website that's built on a code framework. Add to that plugins like social media feeds, calendars, slideshows, forms, chat, etc. Each of these is its own application with its own code base. This whole thing is hosted on a server, which is hardware that runs a variety of different programs like network and security software. The server lives on the internet, and that is a network consisting of billions of applications, many of them unfriendly that want to gain control of your website. Now your website code, the plugins you're using, and even the server software are continually expiring and need to be upgraded to newer versions. These upgrades do not happen magically. They need to be programmed and/or manually done. If you don't upgrade, you run the risk of breaking your website or creating a hole that will make it easier to hack your business. This is why we recommend you establish a monthly website maintenance strategy that consists of upgrades, backups, and additional security and website checkups.